class how the state government works. For our government is main persons are chief minister, governor and important person for president also. How we select for our president, for our chief minister and governor? In this lesson we are going to see for the important matter from this lesson. Learning objectives. One is the state executive, powers and functions of the governor, powers and functions of the chief minister, legislative assembly and council, state judiciary. What's the meaning of executive? Executive meaning put laws, making of laws. Legislative assembly means making law making bodies. State judiciary means group of judges. Now I am going to tell a small introduction about the state government. Introduction. The two sets of government. One is central government, the another one is a state government. State government have 28 states in our country. All the states run their own administration only. For all they are having own executive, legislature and judiciary. I am already told for the meaning of executive, legislature and judiciary. Now the state executive. The state executive consists of the governor, the chief minister and the council of ministers. Among these persons, the governor is very important role in our government. He is an integral part of our government. The state executive. Executive means making of laws. The governor. The governor is a constitutional head of the government. He was appointed by the president only. He has a term of office 5 years. Before his expiry, full term, the president can be dismissed from his office. If suppose for his misbehave or any other misuse in their office, the president can dismiss from the office for the governor. If he not interested in this post, he also wanted to resign this post. The question of the governor. The question of the governor in the state is compared to the president of India. What are the important question have the president of our India? That the same importance are given to the governor of our state. Governor is a nominal executive only, but he was not always in a nominal executive. Some of that occasion he used his power also, but he get the permission from the president, not for the always, but he also used for his position or powers in during the occasion time he used to make up powers. Then he act as an agent of and maintaining relationship with the central government. He act as the agent of and maintaining relationship with the central government also. The question of the governor, he compared to the president of India. He was a nominal executive, not always for a nominal executive. Some occasion he used to make powers, and he also act as an agent and chairman, members of the state public service also. Then under the article 356, on the basis of that governor report only, the president introduced the laws during the emergency time. Why the president introduced? Because the governor is a nominal head. He was not a real executive. So during the emergency time, the laws are passed by the president only. The next important powers are functions of the governor. Money bill also passed with the approval of the governor. What's the meaning of money bill? During that rainy season or drought season, the fund must be collected from the people. All the money bills also passed with the approval of the governor only. Then next point, he also nominated one member from Anglo-Indian and 1/6 member for the expert. The expert means in the field of science, art, literature, social service for the legislative assembly. What's the meaning of legislative assembly? Assembly members, legislative assembly members, those who are making laws for our state, that persons are known as legislative assembly members. Then the important thing, he appoints chief minister, council of ministers, and he also makes some important appointment like advocate general, chairperson, state public service also. And all the emergency laws are passed by the president with the approval of the governor. Money bill also passed. He also nominated one member from Anglo-Indian, 1/6 of the member from the experts. The chief minister was appointed by the governor. The chief minister has no fixed term of office. Why we didn't know the fixed term of office? Comparing the governor have only fixed term of office, but chief minister not having fixed term of office because the support of the majority of legislative assembly members, he will be continued for the post. If he loses for the support of the legislative assembly members, he has to resign. The resignation of the chief minister, the resignation of all the ministers. If suppose the chief minister's resignation for his post, all the ministers will be resignated. Powers and functions of the chief minister. The chief minister was the real executive. I am already told what's the meaning of real executive, making of laws. Governor is a nominal executive, but the chief minister is a real executive. All major decisions taken under his leadership only. For all the important state government major decisions are taken by the chief minister, but governor is not a real executive. Then the advice of the chief minister, the governor appoints the other ministers. With the opinion of the chief minister, the governor is selected for the other council ministers, and he supervises for all the ministers. Chief minister supervise for other ministers what they are doing, their powers, what they have done. They supervise for all the matters. The next one, making policy and making appointment of the state government. The chief minister has power to making of extra policies and making of appointments for the state government members. Making means he make some of the important appointments like chairperson or deputy chairpersons for other ministers for our state government. Next one is the legislature. Legislature's meaning law making body. The members of the legislative assembly, they only making the laws of our state government. The legislature is consist of what are the members are consist in the legislative assembly or legislature. It consists of a governor, one or two houses, and the upper house, the legislative council. The lower house legislative assembly. For these are among these they include for the legislature. They consist of governor, upper house and lower house. Legislative council. The legislative council not less than 40 members. For members, 40 members are included for the legislative council. MLC, the member of the legislative council, they were elected indirectly. They must not elected for directly. Indirectly, they were elected by the legislative council. Then 1/3 are elected for the local bodies. For example, district panchayat and municipalities. 1/3 of members. 1/3 of members is elected for the local bodies like district panchayat and municipality. Then 1/3 are elected by legislative assembly. I am already told was a legislative assembly. Law-making members include for the legislative assembly. And 1/12 of elected by the graduates. Then 1/12 of elected for the teachers of secondary school and colleges. Then 1/6 person is elected for the members for elected by the governor. The term of office for 6 years for the legislative council members. They have 6 years term of office, but they will not continue for the next 6 years. Comparing with the chief minister, he only continue for that former post, but the legislative council members is not continued because the term of office only 6 years. The next one, the qualification of the legislative assembly members. One is, he must be a citizen of India. He must be a citizen of India. He should born in our country. Then he should complete 30 years of age and above 30 years. He is not a member of a legislative assembly. These are the qualification of legislative council members. The answer following questions from book. First question, name the 2 houses of the state legislature. Second question, write the qualification of the members of the legislative assembly. Third question, how is the chief minister appointed? Fourth question, how is the council of ministers formed? Fifth question, list out the names of Tamil Nadu ministers and ministries. Thank you, students.